we will continue here. The next part is what can you do. See the first one. Some of your schoolmates break the benches and pluck the leaves of a very old tree in the playground. What you will do if your schoolmates break the benches and pluck the leaves from the very old tree? What you should do? You should tell them not to break the benches and not to pluck the leaves of a tree from the tree in the playground. You should water the tree, and you should tell your classmates not to break the benches. It is not a good habit. You should never pluck the leaves. If the tree is old or new, you should never pluck the leaves. You should water the plant and you should take care of the plant. Second one is, you hear your parents talking about cutting down a tree in your garden to add a room to the house. See, there is a tree in your garden which is very near to your house. Your parents are talking about cutting down the trees. After cutting down the trees, that they have to make a room. So after listening this, what you will do? You will tell your parents that cutting down trees may become very harmful for us. It will become harmful for human beings. So please don't cut down the trees. So please don't. If we are having trees near your house, it is very good for us. It gives us shelter. It gives us fruits, flowers, vegetables. We get a clean, fresh air from the trees. Third one, a forest area near your school is going to be destroyed to build a new bridge. What you will do? There is a forest area near your school is going to be destroyed to build a new bridge over there. So what you will do? If the forest is going to destroy it, they are making a new bridge over there. So what you will suggest them? You will suggest them not to destroy the forest, because it will become very harmful for the animals, birds and other living beings also to live. Many of the, as we have learned in the lesson, that it affects the animals, birds to live. They will be die without the forest. So you will explain them how if they are going to destroy the forest, so many of the animals and birds will die. Your playground at school look very dry and bare without trees. So what you will do? Your playground at school is very dry and bare without trees. So you will plant a new trees in your playground. Fifth one is, a classmate of yours has trampled upon and destroyed all the new saplings that the gardener had planted in your school playground. What you will do? You will explain the classmate that not to destroy the new saplings, because it gives us fresh air. After the saplings grow into later the saplings go into the big tree, we will get a fresh air from the tree, and it will be very good for our life. We will get many things from the trees. So you should if someone is destroying the saplings or cutting down trees, you should come forward and tell them not to cut the trees, not to harm the trees, plants, any saplings, because they are also a living being. So hope you all have understood, student, from this lesson what we have understood, not to cut the trees. The trees are also a living being. They are also having feelings, and so we should never cut trees. Thank you children. Stay home and be safe.